Here we have two materials mixed with a mix shader node. Create a new image texture. Set it to non-color. Connect it to the mix shader vector input and the displacement height input. Set material displacement to displacement only. And set the mid-level of the displacement node to 0 and reduce the scale. In texture paint mode, duplicate the brush and add an alpha texture to it. Watch the video about using alpha textures for more details. Set mapping to stencil and fall off to constant. With the image texture node selected, paint the alpha texture where you want it. Since it's connected to the mix shader node, it works as a mask to show the other material. And in Cycles rendered preview, we see that the displacement works as well.